When you think of Google, most of us think of a platform where you can search for anything and everything and get many search results that could be useful and helpful for you. Yet, I will show you how this platform can get you paid for free and easy in this video. So, stay tuned to find out how. Before we start, hit the thumbs up button, click on that red subscribe button, turn on the notifications. Now, let's jump into the tutorial. So, you heard that right. Out of all websites, Google will be paying us today, and to be a lot more specific, it's a Google platform called Skillshop. So your first step is to come over to Google, search for Google Skillshop and then open up this page right here, or you can type in this link skillshop.withgoogle.com. This is the website that we will be utilizing to make money. Now first thing, what is Google Skillshop? Well, this is a Google's official platform that allows you to grab different courses that will teach you various skills for totally free. As you can see here, develop skills. You can apply right away with e-learning courses designed by Google product experts, learn at your own pace and get Google product certified. The best part is that you get a certificate whenever you complete these courses, which is fantastic. You can watch courses relating to Google Ads, which will certainly allow you to grow your skills using Google Ads to advertise your business online and get Google Ads certified. In addition, you have courses relating to the Google marketing platform, analytics, and more, and there are too many ways for me to read out loud. Now, which courses in particular will grant you certification? You can see hovering your mouse over Get Certified here, and if I hover my mouse over Google Ads, you can see all courses I have to watch to get certified. You can get a certificate for Google Marketing Platform, Analytics Academy, and Wedge. So with that said, your first step, you may not like it, but it will pay off, I promise. And that is to find over to the site and get a certificate from any of these courses. Now, the courses that pay off the most are the Google Ads courses, and some are shorter and some are longer. For example, this one will take over 2.5 hours, and while that is a little bit of time, keep in mind that you have to finish the course once and that's it. So now you will have the certificate forever. You will additionally gain beneficial knowledge from these courses that will pay off big time because people are willing to pay a great deal of money for Google Ads experts. I will show you where to find customers right now. You can discover customers through the use of two platforms. The first is called peopleperhour.com. It's a site where you can come to work as a freelancer or pay a freelancer. Now we are here to make money. So we will indeed be working as freelancers on here. Here is the thing that I love about this site. However, in comparison to Fiverr, you can find people offering to pay you for a certain job on People Per Hour. You create a gig and await the customer to see you. So this is why we are using People Per Hour in particular. So what do you need to do when you initially come on here is create an account by clicking on the sign up over here. I will not go through the entire process as I am sure you can manage. Once you are done, your next step is to click on search and then select search projects. From there, you will now want to search for a job. The kind of job you will certainly search for depends on the type you completed over Skillshop Google. For example, let's say that you completed a course relating to Google Ads. If you search for that, you will now find that there are people who are offering up to hundreds of dollars, and also not only do you have the certificate as a Google Ads expert, yet thanks to Google's courses, you will know how all of it works and what to do. It means you can make a lot of money. For example, this person I found is offering $111 for a Google Ads expert. This person is providing $140. This person pays $42 an hour, and these are only a handful of the total 424 offers I found only on People Per Hour alone and relating to Google Ads. As you can see, while you do invest a tiny bit of time into learning a few things here and there, that knowledge is immensely valuable online and can end up making you a ton of cash. However, People Per Hour is not the only platform you can utilize. A similar platform is called freelancer.com is perfect as well. What you need to do here is similar to People Per Hour. So create an account right here by clicking sign up in the upper right corner. When done, you will now need to click on Browse Jobs and then search for a job type that depends on the course you completed. Let's go along with Google Ads as an example. As you can see, like with the previous site, you will easily find people offering as much as hundreds of dollars for a Google Ads expert. The sheer number of offers is higher on freelancers with 814, twice as much now. While both of these platforms have the drawback of you having to bid for offers. Keep in mind that simply because there are a lot of them, it is virtually guaranteed that somebody will certainly accept your offer. When that happens, you will be able to earn hundreds of dollars. If you want to avoid that altogether, then you can create a gig on People Per Hour and even Fiverr and ask for $100 or so. It will be a slower way to get customers. Once you get a few reviews, it will get easier from there. Now, if you are truly interested in making money online and starting your own online business, then I recommend you check out Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes where you can learn almost everything you can think of. You can learn brand new skills like web design, graphic design, internet marketing, and much more. One of my favorite classes in Skillshare from the e-business category is Selling Online Business Skills for Product Designs by Lawrence Loic. She talks about how anybody can turn their idea right into a real and successful online business. She also talks about all the fundamentals one needs to achieve success in online business. This class is all about selling online, finding your niche, building your brand, setting up your stores, marketing your products with social media, and more. I genuinely love Skillshare because you can learn pretty much everything quickly. Yet, since the platform is curated only for learning, there are no boring and annoying ads to interrupt you. And what's even better is you can get full access to all of the Skillshare classes from which you can learn 24 hours a day for less than $10 a month literally. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, hit the like button, click on that red subscribe button, turn on the notifications and share it with your friends and family. Leave a comment below on how much money you make after using these strategies. Thanks for watching and as always, I will see you in the next one.